Hi, I've got an overview of Office 365 today. Office 365 is a subscription service to the suite of products by Microsoft that you probably already know. It's got Word and Excel as well as the other things like Outlook and PowerPoint that you're familiar with. I'm going to talk today about the personal and the home options, although we've got business options as well. If I go on and take a look here, I've done some screen captures. I'm going to give you the link below the video. This shows you how much for home and how much for the personal copy. The personal copy is only for one user. You can use it on one computer, one tablet, and one phone. The reason you want to be careful how you choose this, maybe you need the home version because you've got several family members using it. You can have up to 5 on the home version. And this is what it includes. Here are the different apps that you might be using or want to use. I will point out that the publisher and access are only available when you're using a PC. All of these others are available if you use Mac as well. And then you see also you get some cool services like OneDrive and Skype, so keep that in mind as well. I've also clipped a few of the screens from the features list here, so it just reiterates what I told you about what is included and how many users. You see, if you're using it for the home version, you can have up to 5 tablets and 5 phones in addition to your 5 computers. And if you're like my household, there's some PCs and some Macs, so that could be an issue for you, and it's seamless with this. You get 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage, which I'll talk more about. Applications are always up to date. This is nice because Office 365 is going to be downloading and giving you new features as they put them out. So sometimes I just log on, I open Word, and it says, hey, you've got a new feature, and tells me about it. Okay, so you get support, you get Skype, you get a nice big Outlook mailbox with more security and no ads, and it is licensed for home use. So that's all good to know. Let's talk more about the cloud. So the cloud is where we're going to store all of our files that we create. It makes it accessible. If I'm on my tablet, I can get to them. If I'm logged in at work, I can get to them. If I'm logged in at home, I can get to them. I've even been able to grab files from my phone and forward them in an email. So I love using the OneDrive storage. You get the 1 terabyte. You can work offline. So let's say you are working on your Outlook and you don't have the internet, but you're putting together some emails, and then when you log back on, they all fly out of your outbox. Also great for security. If you happen to lose your phone, you have not lost your files, and you can easily share and collaborate. Okay, so I want to take you out into the Microsoft products and show you how these are working. So what I'm going to do is take you to a file I've started in Excel, and let's say I just add a few things to it, and I'm updating my file as I go, and I want to go ahead and save a copy. So I'm in the downloaded version of Excel on my computer. I'm going to save a copy. I'm going to navigate myself. I want to put it out in my OneDrive. If you're using the Windows 10 and Office 365, you're going to see that OneDrive option there. You can browse to go and put it exactly where you want it. I'm going to put it in my example folder here. I'm going to call this Excel New Start 3 and save it. Okay, so I'm saving it up to the cloud now. I'm going to take you out and show you Alt-Tab. This is how I'm moving from window to window. I'm using the Alt-Tab. I'm going to go here to my OneDrive folder, and here you can see this is all my files. There, I'll go to the example folder I just put it in, and there is my New Start 3. Here, what you're going to see is that I can get to that file. If I have an internet connection, I can actually get to that file. And look, this is the Excel Online. It's not the full version. It has just a few of the features. It doesn't have everything, but it's great that I can get access to it wherever I can get on the internet. It's wonderful to use this product on my tablet and go from there. You'll also see then that anything I add here, let's just add a couple of numbers. Okay. And this is going to save automatically. Look how easy too I can share from here. There's my share, and I can invite people with an email address, or I can get a link. Makes it super easy to do that. And then I'm going to navigate back out, Alt-Tab, and let's jump back to our Excel, the full version, and look what's happened out here, because I'm saving to my OneDrive. Where I'm connected with my OneDrive, I am getting updated files. I love it. I use it all the time from home to work. I hope you do too. Office 365.